Can you solve this geometry challenge? In a circle, there is segment that passes through the center of the circle and measures 18 units. Another segment perpendicular to first segment like this and measuring 12 units. The question is, what is the length of the radius of this circle? Pause and try to solve this yourself first. Let's start. Our goal is to find the radius of the circle. So let label radius as r, this point as a, this point as b, this point as d, and center of circle as c. We know that any segment that starts from center of circle and touches circumference of circle is radius. Let's start by drawing the radius and labeling it as r. Since this segment of circle also passes through the center, so this is also equivalent to r. And this segment as 18 minus r. Now let's break it down. In right-angle triangle ABC we have one leg as 12 units, other leg as 18 units minus r, and hypotenuse as r. Now using Pythagorean Theorem, that's as a square plus b square equals c square. We get 12 square plus 18 minus r whole square equals r square. Simplifying we get 144 plus 324 minus 36r plus r square equals r square. Subtracting r square from both sides, we have 144 plus 324 minus 36r equals 0, or 468 equals 36r. Now dividing 36 from both sides, we have r equals to 468 divide 36. Thus r equals to 13. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 13 units. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Radical Root for more such geometry challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.